Butter. This video will guide you through each critical step in transforming fresh milk and cream into the delicious, creamy butter we all love. From receiving the raw ingredients to packaging the final product, receiving milk or cream, we begin our butter production journey by receiving fresh milk or cream. Upon arrival, the milk is preheated to a temperature range of 35–40 degrees Celsius. This preheating step is essential as it helps reduce the microbial load and ensures better separation during centrifugation. The cream, often a byproduct of milk separation in dairy processing, may be neutralized to adjust its acidity, creating a consistent base for butter production. Grading, weighing, sampling, and testing. Once the milk or cream is received, they undergo a thorough quality control process. This includes grading, weighing, sampling, and testing. Grading ensures that the milk and cream meet the required quality standards. Weighing determines the quantity of milk and cream to be processed. Sampling and testing involve assessing factors such as fat content, acidity, and microbial quality to ensure the ingredients are suitable for butter production. This step is crucial for maintaining the high quality and safety of the final product. Separation or centrifugation. If we are making butter from milk, then the milk is undergone a step called separation, which is the process of separation of cream from the milk. This is achieved through centrifugation, a technique that uses centrifugal force to separate the milk into cream and skim milk. The cream, which is rich in butterfat, is collected for further processing, while the skim milk is either utilized in other dairy products or discarded. Neutralization. This step is done only if the butter is produced from cream. Neutralization of cream involves adjusting its acidity by adding alkaline substances such as sodium bicarbonate or calcium hydroxide to achieve a desired pH level. This process ensures a consistent base for butter production and improves the cream's stability and flavor. Standardization. The collected cream is then standardized to achieve a consistent fat content, typically around 35–40%. Standardization involves adjusting the fat content by blending cream of different fat levels or adding milk. This step is vital as it ensures uniformity in the butter's texture and taste, regardless of the cream's initial fat content. Pasteurization or vacuation. After standardization, the cream undergoes pasteurization or vacuation. Pasteurization involves heating the cream to 82–88 degrees Celsius for a short period without holding, which kills harmful bacteria and improves the cream's shelf life. Alternatively, vacuation, a method involving vacuum-assisted heating, can be used to achieve similar effects with a different approach. Cooling, ripening, and aging. Following pasteurization or vacuation, the cream is cooled to a temperature of 20–22 degrees Celsius. It is then allowed to ripen at this temperature, which develops the cream's flavor and texture. Ripening involves the growth of specific bacteria that produce lactic acid, enhancing the cream's flavor. After ripening, the cream is aged at a lower temperature of 5–10 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from several hours to a few days. This aging process further refines the flavor and consistency of the cream, preparing it for the churning stage. Churning. With the cream properly aged, it is time for churning. Churning is the process of agitating the cream to separate the butterfat from the buttermilk. As the cream is churned, the fat globules clump together, forming butter. The buttermilk, which is the liquid left behind, is drained off, leaving behind the solid butter. Washing and working. Once the butter has been separated, it is washed to remove any residual buttermilk. Washing involves adding cold water to the butter and kneading it to rinse out the remaining buttermilk. This step is crucial for achieving a clean taste and proper texture. After washing, the butter is worked, a process that involves kneading and folding the butter to ensure a smooth, uniform consistency. Salting and working. To enhance flavor and extend shelf life, salt is added to the butter. The salt is evenly distributed through the butter during a final working phase, where the butter is kneaded again. This process ensures that the salt is well integrated, contributing to both the taste and preservation of the butter. Packaging and storage. The final step in the butter production process is packaging. The butter is carefully packed into containers that protect it from contamination and spoilage. It is then stored at a temperature of -23 to -29 degrees Celsius. This low temperature helps to maintain the butter's quality, preserving its flavor, texture, and freshness. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.